Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, I'll guide you through resolving email delivery issues using the delivery history feature in your admin console. Let's ensure your communications are always on point. Start by logging into your admin console and heading to the delivery history area in the email section. Here, you'll find logs of all emails sent, including any failed attempts. Use filters like email template, TO, ticket hash, and event to narrow down your search. This helps you quickly identify any problematic deliveries. If the delivery history shows an email was sent but it isn't visible, advise checking the spam junk folder. Also, consider whitelisting the delivery account for smooth future deliveries. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. By effectively using delivery history, you can troubleshoot and ensure successful email delivery. Thanks for watching, and explore more features to enhance your Desk Director experience.